Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So as requested, I am bringing you guys the rare CRT video where basically I show you guys deals using some rare CRTs that we get every single week at CVS and we don't know what to do with them. So the first deal is going to be on the Jergens Lotion 10 ounce. You're going to pick up two of them for $4.99 each, making them $9.98. You're going to use two of the dollar off coupons from our 3-1 Smart Source. You're going to use a 5 off of 2 Jergens CRT as well as a $2 off Jergens CRT if you have those CRTs available, making the total 98 cents or 49 cents each. And what's great about the Jergens lotion is that it counts towards beauty. Axe Shower Gel is on a promotion this week for buy one, get one 50% off. So you're going to pick up one of them for $5.99. And you're going to pick up another one half off at $2.99. You're going to use the buy one, get one free coupon from our 315 RMN. Now, if your cashier takes off the max value of $4.99, you're going to use a 3 off of 2 Axe CRT as well as a 2 off of 6 Body Wash CRT. So you'll have an overage of 101, but remember guys, CVS does not do overage, so it'll just be totally free for that. So they'll lower the value of one of those CRTs. Now, let's say your cashier only takes off $2.99 for that BOGO coupon because some cashiers would take off the one that's half off. You basically pay 99 cents for both of them or 49 cents each if you have those two CRTs. The next deal is going to be on the Beauty 360 poofs from the travel section. So you're going to pick up 3 of them for $109 each, making them $3.27. You're going to use a 2 off of 3 body poof CRT as well as a 1 off of 2 body poof CRT. So after the CRTs, the total works out to 27 cents for all of them or 9 cents each. Paparazzi nail polish is on a promotion this week for buy 2, get a $4 extra buck, and they're on sale 2 for $5. So you're going to pick up 2 of them for $5. You're going to use a $1 off Paparazzi CRT, making the total $4, but you're going to get back a $4 extra buck. So this works out to be free after extra bucks. TRESemmé Premium 22 ounce bottles are on sale this week 2 for $10. You're going to use 2 of the 150 off 1 coupons from our 315 RMN. We also have a 3 off of 2 coupon in our CVS app. So send that to your card if you do not have the one from the inserts. You're going to use a 3 off of 2 instant coupon that we're all receiving this week and a 250 off 8 TRESemmé CRT. So the total works out to, after all coupons, $1.50 or 75 cents each. So this is everything I picked up using those rare CRTs. Now, I know a lot of you guys are homebound, but these are for people who are still shopping at CVS this week. Let's say you're picking up other items and you want to roll your extra bucks. I suggest you do these deals because they are some really good deals. So basically, this is a way to start burning CRTs. I basically try to roll my CRTs. You guys did check out my video that I showed you guys what I basically use some of my CRTs on as far as food items. But I wanted to roll extra bucks in order to get a later expiration date. So far, I'm up to April 7th with my first extra buck that's expiring. And then I think I'm up to like April 16th. So let me show you guys the breakdown for all of this and how much it came out to. So as you see here, I got the TRESemmé. TRESemmé is on sale this week, 2 for $10. It's not giving back any extra bucks. I have the Axe Shower Gel, $5.99. They're buy one, get one 50% off. So I picked up a second one at $2.99. And for the TRESemmé, it's going to be these only. The other ones that are 28 ounce are buy 2, get a $2 extra buck, and they're 2 for $9. And then here goes the Axe Body Wash, buy one, get one 50% off. Paparazzi this week is buy 2, get a $4 extra buck. But for some reason on the receipt, they rang up as $2.99. I wasn't going to make a big stink about it because I actually saw it when I left the store. I was just trying to be really in and out of the store. So they charged me $2.99. They didn't ring up 2 for $5. And these are the 2 that I picked up right there. And then I picked up the Beauty Poofs. So these are Beauty 360 poofs. These are priced at $1.09 each. So those are the 3 I picked up right there. And then I picked up the Jergens Lotion 10 ounce for $4.99. This is not giving back any extra buck, but I had some really good CRTs. So those are the two that I picked up right there. And these are the 10 ounce bottles. So the dollar off coupon does not exclude 10 ounce. It excludes 5 ounce and lower than that. Okay, so as far as coupons, the total before coupons is $38.21 for all products. I had 2 of the $1.50 off Tresemme coupons from our 315 RMN. There is a 3 off of 2 in our app, so if you didn't receive any inserts this week, there is a digital coupon for that. Okay, and then I used that BOGO Axe coupon from our 315 RMN. I didn't notice what she took off of it, but she took the max value of $4.99, so I'm not complaining about that. And then the Jergens Lotion, I used $2 off coupons from our 3-1 Smart Source. As far as CRTs, I had a 5 off of 2 Jergens Lotion CRT. I had a 3 off of 2 Axe Shower Gel CRT. I had that Tresemme Instant coupon that's printing out for all of us this week. That 3 off of 2. And again, it's only on these bottles right here. I used a $2.50 off a Tresemme CRT. Remember, guys, you can use a threshold CRT with a non-threshold CRT. So this instant coupon is a non-threshold CRT because it doesn't have a value of how much you have to spend in product in order to get the amount off. This one, you have to spend $8 in order to get the $2.50 off. Now, I had a 2 off of 8 body wash CRT. It only took off 99 cents for the Axe body wash because basically CVS doesn't give overage anymore if you have like more CRT than product. So 99 cents was only taken off of the 2 off of 8 body wash. Now, let's say for your BOGO coupon, they only take off $2.99 for the half off product. It's still a good deal if you have the certain CRTs. You'd just be paying 99 cents for both of them after the coupon and after the CRTs. So that's still a good deal if your store doesn't take off the max value. And then I have the 2 off of 3 Beauty 360 Poofs, a 1 off of 5 Paparazzi CRT, and a 1 off of 2 Beauty 360 Poofs. So I've been doing this deal for the past couple of weeks, and for some reason she had to override it this time. So she did override it because she saw I had the items, and it doesn't exclude travel size. So hopefully your stores will override those coupons because that is a good coupon to have both of those CRTs, making them super, super cheap. Okay, so my total after coupons is $7.73. I rolled $8 in extra bucks to pay for this, so I did lose a couple of cents in that $8 in extra bucks, making my total free, of course, plus tax. And I got back only $4 in extra bucks for the paparazzi deal right there. So, as far as beauty is concerned, I only needed 59 cents to hit beauty. I have $25.96 worth of beauty items within this transaction. So it's going to be the Jergens Lotion, the Tresemme Professional, and the Paparazzi Nail Polish. Those count towards beauty. So I will get back a $3 beauty buck. And I took a 27 cent loss in extra bucks because I got a $4 extra buck back. I am hitting beauty, but I rolled $8 in extra bucks, so 27 cents I lost in extra bucks. So now I'm going to show you guys my receipt. Okay. It's a long receipt, and I did receive my beauty buck from the other day, so I was super excited about that. So there goes Tresemme right there, 2 for $10. The Axe is $5.99. The second one becomes $2.99 at half off. There goes the Paparazzi. It didn't ring up for 2 for $5. They rang up at $2.99 each, which is still not a bad deal. There goes the Beauty 360 Poofs at $1.09 each. There goes the Jergens Lotion, $4.99, and the second one, $4.99. Here goes the manufacturer coupons I had. This was for Tresemme. This was the BOGO Axe coupon, and these were the 2 Jergens coupons. I had that 5 off of 2 Jergens CRT, went through with no issues. 3 off of 2 Axe Shower Gel, went through with no issues. 3 off of 2 Instant coupon for Tresemme. $2.50 off 8 Tresemme. I had the 2 off of 8 Body Wash CRT for the Axe, and only 99 cents came off of that. I had a $2 off Jergens Lotion CRT, a 2 off of 3 the Beauty 360 Poofs, a 1 off of 5 Paparazzi Nail Polish, and a 1 off of 2 Beauty 360 Poofs. I used a $5 extra buck and a $3 beauty buck. Again, I lost 27 cents in extra bucks because I rolled in $8 for this. My total was $0 out of pocket. I pay a tax of $2.14. Now here you go with beauty. I needed 59 cents to hit beauty for this, and I had a total of $25.96. So I definitely hit beauty for this, and I got back that $4 and extra bucks for the paparazzi. And I got my $3 beauty buck from my last haul. So super excited about this. I'm just trying to give you guys ideas on how to roll those extra bucks so you can have a later expiration date. So hopefully this was helpful for you guys, and I will see you guys in the next video. I do have one more haul for you guys using my second card. That'll be all in one video, just showing you guys how I'm rolling my extra bucks. And hopefully you guys checked out what I used some extra bucks on food items on at CVS. So if you guys are still going out, I suggest you guys wear some gloves if you guys have a mask, and have some hand sanitizer and Lysol wipes available in your cars or wherever you are going. So thank you guys for watching, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.